Most people seem to have heard about the phenomenal explosion in what is the carbon credit market, how it is rapidly becoming a trillion-dollar market, and how the biggest banks and financial institutions expect the trading of carbon credits to become the largest financial market in the world. But how real is all of this? And if yes, then how sustainable is this boom? And most importantly, to all investors, how safe is it? The answers to these questions are becoming more and more obvious as each day passes. Quite simply, there are a lot of people already making substantial sums of money from carbon credits. The predictions are that as early as 2015, there will be shortages as the industries that are legally obliged to buy carbon credits continues to increase. This will in turn force available currently unretired carbon credits to even higher prices. George Osborne, the current Chancellor of the Exchequer for the UK, has already announced the opening of the first UK exchange for April of next year, with a minimum floor price of £16 per carbon credit. Now, it's possible to pay £7 to £9 at present for one of these. The government has further decided that all businesses must offset their carbon footprint by 2020. Now, that alone is probably enough to make £16 per unit seem cheap, with prices of over £20, possibly £25 per carbon credit seeming more the norm. The safety and security of carbon credits is becoming clearly apparent. Unlike companies or commodities or food crops, these are legally defined and secure instruments, which are not subject to the same vagaries and instability of more volatile instruments, such as stocks or shares or futures or foreign exchange contracts. But this is not just about making money. It is not just about companies that are being obligated to offset their carbon emissions. Growing numbers of members of the public are also looking to take a stand by buying carbon credits to neutralize their carbon footprint and that of their families in order to help preserve and protect the planet for our future generations. Let's all play our part.